Standing at the top of the mat, bring your hands to your heart. Your feet are only hips width apart, maybe 2 inches between your big toe and heels. Inhaling and exhaling, the breath is nice and calm, relaxed and easy, and should maintain that calm, relaxed, and easy feeling all the way through your practice. Inhale, sweep your arms up over your head. Bring the palms together. Exhale, bring your hands in front of your heart. Spread your toes. Feel the entire foot planted deep into the mat. Bend the knees. Keep a flat back as you forward fold, letting your abdomen rest on your thighs. Maybe you want to interlace your arms. Let your body hang. Tuck your chin to your chest. It's very, very important that you bring your chin to your chest, lengthening the entire back of the neck. Maybe you shake your head yes and no. Put your palms on the floor. Start to straighten the knees a little bit. Good. Slowly roll up one vertebrae at a time. Come back to standing position, mountain pose. Inhale, lift your arms all the way over your head. Interlace your fingers. Draw your biceps back past your ears, opening your heart to the sky. Bend the knees, flat spine, forward fold again. Tuck your chin to your chest. Just starting to warm up those hamstrings. Maybe we start to straighten the knees in that forward fold. Reach out to the right. Draw your nose to your right knee. Reach out to the left. Remember, everything is optional in this yoga practice. Just follow along the best you can. Rolling up from the base of the spine to stand. Inhale, lift your arms all the way over your head. Palms together, open the chest to the sky. This time forward bend all the way down with stretched legs. Squat down. Drop your tailbone to the earth. Let your sit bones rest on your heels. Forward bend. Slide the hands up for a flat back. Release. Step the right foot back into a deep lunge, closing off any space between the abdomen and the left thigh. Rock forward and back, pressing that right heel back to stretch the calf, keeping the knee straight so that you're really, really lengthening the hip flexor, engaging the quad. Downward facing dog. Let's stretch out those calves and pedal out the heels. Maybe lift up to the balls of the feet and then drop the heels down towards the floor. Transition, roll through the spine to come into a nice plank push-up position. Drop the knees, drop the heart between the hands, cat bow. Arch, lift up into your cobra. Look back and see your right toes. Look back and see your left toes. Tuck the toes, downward facing dog. Bring the opposite foot forward, the right foot forward. Find that lunge. Rock it out a little bit. Coming back into that forward bend. Rolling up through the spine. Inhale, lift your arms up, sit down into chair. Inhale up, sit back, keep the shoulders down, the back long, and send the booty out and back, like you're going to sit into a chair as far back as you can without the heels coming up off the ground. Forward fold. Step the left foot back into a deep lunge. Rock it out. Downward facing dog. You should be feeling nice and warm by now. The heat should be generating in your body all that prana, all that chi. Cat bow. Arch lift up. Downward facing dog. Tuck the toes. Bring the left foot forward into a deep lunge. Forward bend. Nose to knees, chin to chest. Roll up from the base of the spine. Sun Salutation 1.